welcome back to another Vegan Cuts unboxing. As per usual, we're going to talk about last month's box first, and then we will unbox our box, look at the products, and then talk pricing. So we'll see if it is worth the price. So last month's box, first and foremost, we had the makeup brush. It was fine. I didn't have any problems with it. I thought it was good. It did what I wanted it to do. Is it worth it? Like, would I buy it? Like, we mathed it out to be about $3 for that brush, but like, I didn't see it sold by itself, so you'd have to buy the whole set. I thought it was fine, but like, I have e.l.f. brushes that work just as well as that brush did, so would I pay the price for it? Probably not. But it was good. Like, if you're in the market for a makeup brush, maybe check them out. I thought it was fine. Next, the vegan avocado eye cream. So you guys know how I feel about eye creams by now. I don't really notice anything except that one that I tried that one time that was like very spot correcting. It wasn't just an eye cream. I thought that was pretty good. But the eye cream itself, it was fine. Like, I didn't notice anything. It didn't make my skin feel any different. It didn't do anything for me. So yeah, I would say I wouldn't buy that one again, unfortunately. But I had high hopes for it because I do like the vegan toner that I got. I thought that one was pretty good. Next, the Oral Gel New Gen, I can't remember what it was called, but it was a whitening pen. It'll be up there on the screen anyway. But it actually worked. Like, I noticed a difference in the whiteness of my teeth. Like, it did do a good job. It's a little bit of a pain in the butt to do because you have to leave it on for like 20 minutes. But if I was in the market for a whitening product, I would get that one again. I thought it was really convenient. The only gripe I have is, so it's like a twist bottom, and every time I would twist it, the top part, the nozzle part, would start going up too instead of just staying put. So yeah, that was a little bit of a scare. I just pushed it back down and then it came out through the little brush tip and it was fine, but that is a little bit weird. But it worked well, so I would buy it again if I was in the market for it. So then we have the Authentic Beauty Concept hydrating conditioner. It was good. It smelled nice. It made my hair nice and soft. Like, it's not so mind-blowing that I would replace my other products with it, but like, I rotate my shampoos and conditioners. I don't use the same ones all the time, but generally my go-tos are like Native, Nexus, Heritage. You know, those are the three that I'm using right now. I have some like Love Beauty Planet as well. Root to End has some vegan products. So yeah, there's some like stuff that I'll alternate through. Sometimes it's higher end, sometimes it's lower end. Like, honestly, part of it for me is it has to smell nice because I want my hair to smell nice, and it also has to make my hair feel clean. I use a lot of like color protecting stuff or hair, like damaged hair products because I do color my hair a lot. So yeah, it worked fine. Would I buy it again? Probably, if I needed conditioner. Right now I do not because I have a plethora, but if I needed it and I saw it in stores, I would probably buy it. I typically don't order online unless it's like Native, because Native has really good bundles when you buy like a set of their stuff online, but that's just me. And then last but not least, the hand cream from Ahava. It was the Dead Sea Ocean Mineral Hand Cream that was pink cactus and something else. Pink cactus pepper. I don't remember. Cactus and pink pepper. I don't remember what it was, but it smelled lovely and it worked great. So if you are in the hand cream market right now, if you're in the market for hand cream, I actually would recommend this one. It was really nice. I do use hand creams pretty frequently because, you know, dry skin. But I typically just find something vegan at the store and buy it, if I'm being perfectly honest. I normally don't gravitate towards one certain one, but I didn't realize until after using this one that I really liked this like particular hand cream, so I definitely will be buying that one again when I need it. Right now I do not, because I have plenty of hand cream. All right, this is bugging me, sorry. But that's it for last month's box. Overall, it was kind of mid. There was like some good stuff, but it's not like, oh my god, I have to have this. This is my new favorite thing, except for the hand cream. I definitely loved that. That would be my go-to hand cream from now on. So let's get to the unboxing. All right, open the door to vegan. Oh, cute little doggy, so cute. These are the featured product highlights. We'll see if we actually get all those. But straight out the gate, we've got Kiwi. It is a biodegradable sheet mask. I love that. Cruelty-free. That's cool. I'm into it. So this is by Food Story. Sway, New York Food Story mask. It's hard to read the color there. All right, next. I don't know. Oh. So another Oral Gen new Pearl product. This is a bamboo charcoal toothbrush, activated charcoal bristles and bamboo handle. I love that. Like, I'm not going to use this. I'm going to be honest. For testing purposes, even, I'm not going to use this because I find it wasteful to just use a toothbrush and then stop using it. But when I need to switch out my toothbrush, I will use these. So, but I mean, it's a toothbrush. You really can't go wrong with that. I am going to open it up though. All right, and this is what it looks like. See if I can get it to focus on the bristles. Interesting. It is like medium. It's not soft, but it's not hard. So interesting. All right, and next we've got a little weird vial of some sort with some blue liquid in it. This is Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampule. Okay, there is nothing else to see on here, so let's take a look. Blue-green algae serum to brighten, restore, and vitalize. That sounds a little frou-frou to me and a little woo-woo, but I am willing to give it a try. This will be my next product that I use before bed. So there's that. We have the Soothing Touch. I'm vegan. I love that. 79% organic. How can you be a percent of organic? Anyway, lavender coconut lip balm with organic cocoa and shea butter. I love that. Shea butter is like my jam. Ever since I used that shea butter, I don't even want to call it a lotion. But there are the ingredients. There's like all this white stuff is getting stuck to my fingers from the paper in here. That's really cool. I love that. I'm always into new lip balms. And then last but not least, we have Unicorn Glow Magnetic Matte Lip. I don't know about this color. Notebook. I don't know about this color, guys. I'm going to be honest. Okay. Yeah, my thing is, though, it doesn't say anything on here about it being vegan or cruelty-free. That's shitty, but I'm going to open this up. So that is what it looks like. Unicorn Glow. Still nothing on there that says it's vegan. Alright, and there is the color. I actually don't hate it. It might actually look good on me if you can see it. Let's get this. Oh, I just got it on the table. Let's get that out of the way. But, it's like not focusing. Focus. There we go. a little bit. But yeah, I don't hate the color. I think it might look pretty on me. We will give it a try. All right, let's talk pricing. So the ampule, the Marina one, was $13. The lipstick was $14, which is the highest price point in this box, which is kind of shocking. Like, all this is pretty inexpensive. Like, that's the most expensive thing, is $14. The toothbrush was $5.50 for the 2-pack. The lip balm I found as cheap as $2.50. And the mask was $3. So that brings the box to a grand total of $38. Now, that being said, I pay for the yearly subscription, so that makes each box about $25. So I'm getting a $13 value. So basically, I'm getting the ampule for free. This is probably, I don't want to say for sure, but I think that might be the lowest amount that I've had so far in these boxes. But that doesn't mean it's bad. It could be the best box I've ever had. I don't know. We're going to have to try these products out, and I will let you know on the next unboxing for May how it goes. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!